After taking our trailer to Houston to store it and enjoying a weekend with family, we're finally back at the boat and ready to get started with this new life. It's a beautiful night. We're just back to the boat after Thanksgiving. I'm sitting out here to enjoy the nice, calm, warm evening instead of downstairs. That is just a gigantic mess, and there's nowhere to sit because we haven't put that stuff away yet. It is kind of crazy. Todd and I started traveling in an RV 8 years ago with 7 of our 10 kids. One by one, they've flown the coop and started their own adventures. Now, after 3 years of fixing up a hurricane-damaged sailboat, we're ready to explore the world with our last 3 kiddos before they're gone too. How's it going?
Talking to me? You never know. I hear people talking and I say hello and I realize they're on the phone or something and it's like, oops, oopsie. We can now walk from one end of the boat mostly without stubbing our toe, huh dear?
On baskets and boxes of crud.
But, you know, what do you do with things like this? I mean, a grease gun. They leak. But I can't, like, take it apart because then I got multiple leak points. I got to store this just like this somewhere that it won't leak.
I think if you put 2 screws and 2 long screws in the engine room on the wall and, like, hang it.
Yeah, because if I go putting this in some sort of cubby, it's going to get squoze and there's going to be grease everywhere.
Well, but at least it's like we have a bed.
Yes, we do.
And clothes. Doesn't look like a construction zone.
Nope. But I'm going to say this. Got up early this morning, went out, took the dog on a little walk, and it was pretty magical outside. All the fog, sun coming up, just showing this little golden light behind the fog. The water totally dead calm. And I'm going, this is so much cooler than an RV. This is way cooler than an RV. It's awesome.
I think Todd's been cleaning out more buckets. We had to create the space for me to edit my videos.
I didn't know we had a bell. I like this.
The fan blowing in on your face.
Slow-mo? What is this?
Shit.
My clothes?
Pants. Still haircut. Yeah.
What are we up to today?
Cooling my face off. Plugs. Wouldn't that be nice?
We kind of moved on before we got it all finished, huh?
Got it.
Unfortunately, this is one of those things that is like kind of in your face, excited, but yet you can't do anything with them because they don't work until the rest of it's hooked up over there. So they're kind of here taunting us.
Currently, this is the
Everything in there
status.
is DC.
We are running off of this plug. So we kind of have a little bit of
Craziness.
craziness.
Dad put it up so that we each have our own cords. Gabe has one, me and Abigail have one, and you guys have one.
Got the computer set up so that
Dan.
we can edit.
Down here is one of Denali's favorite spots to lay.
We decorated for Christmas. We have Christmas things and a very small Christmas tree.
Look. Snowman cat mask. Meow.
What do you think, Denali? Can't find a place to sit that's out of the way. Everybody keeps stepping on you. There you go, puppy.
Come on. There you go.
Better. It has been, how long have we been moved onto the boat? A week?
Thursday.
Well, we were gone for 3 days, 4 days, so does it count?
Had a few days on the boat and we are enjoying it. It's not a lot different than living in the trailer. You have to move things to do stuff, and only so many people fit in certain spaces.
It moves a little more than the
It
trailer.
does move. You kind of feel weird. You're walking down the hallway and you're like, whoa. So,
The boat just went by.
yeah. Anyway, but we're having a fantastic time and it's slowly turning into a home.
Mom,
What?
is this your happy place?
This is our happy place? Yes.
Meow.
Uh-huh.
Meow.
You got the dishes done?
Yes.
Okay, do you know where that goes? Nope. You have to move everything to get in that cupboard right there and put it down inside of it.
That's stupid.
It is stupid. But that's how it works. We have to move this out of the way without it falling. Can you get it? And it can sit right here. Well, you could do that too. Get that up. Oh yeah, the thing broke today. This is a problem. We can't get into here, dear.
Here.
Right, so that stands on its side. I'm gonna put this alongside of it. And then put everything back. It's like playing Tetris.
Ah! Done.
Keeping things put away is one of the keys to tiny living. It's making sure you put things where they belong.
Where does this belong?
Oh, we haven't decided yet. What do you think?
In here. Maybe in the where the scissors are.
That sounds like a good place.
Maybe you should turn off the camera before you sneeze.
Maybe.
I'd like you to make some breakfast, Liberty.
I cannot make breakfast.
Well, then it's time to learn. How old are you?
No.
You should know how to make breakfast at your age.
No.
You can have your choice. You can make eggs, you can make oatmeal, you can make pancakes. Which one do you want to make?
Any.
I know you don't want
I
to.
don't want to use hot stuff on the boat.
We'll figure it out.
Rocking
It won't be
too
bad. Alright. Abigail, can you suck this stuff out of the handle hole for the refrigerator door up there? Somebody broke it. Those two handles were like chrome zinc, and they're like, I don't know, 25 years or 30 or 40, I don't know. They may be original boat for all I know. They finally gave way and broke. That's what happens when you move on. So, today we're rocking and rolling. Come outside and I'll show you what's going on today. Whew, feels like we're on passage. So first of all, you can see the flags. Trees. See how much he's leaning right there. Wind blowing, even the birds are trying to stay out of the wind. See, we got whitecaps inside the marina here. It's like 15 to 20 mile an hour winds with 40 mile an hour gusts, 40 to 50 mile an hour gusts today. So, woo! And it's kind of a chilly breeze coming from the north over here, so holy cow. Rocking and rolling, huh, Abigail? Down we go. Well, at least we don't have a bunch of rain with this, because that would be pretty miserable. Right now we're just dealing with cool wind and motion of the ocean. Tammy's over here doing what she does. She stares at a blank screen for a while. Oh, there it is. Back to work. We got to make breakfast and do some more wiring on the boat today.
It's Bob's house.
Bob's house? Very cool. Are you seasick on this boat that's moving like crazy? That's good, huh?
I don't like it.
You don't like the moving? Are you seasick with the motion of the ocean?
Nope.
It's a teenage boy room. It is definitely a teenage boy room. Kind of smells like a teenage boy room too.
That's because Gabe smells. He smells like deodorant. It's gross.
He's got cologne on. He's got cologne on. Oh, is Dad in there? No, he's not. Where is he? Oh, he is in there. There's Dad.
I'm hiding in my
Hobby
man
hole.
cave.
So, how's it going in there?
I went from a man cave that had a big screen TV, a couch, and a bunch of heads on the wall to motors. Actually, I never had the previous man cave either, did I, dear?
No. It's like, what are you
Stop
talking about?
slamming that door, please, on my hand. I'm wiring lights. Oh, that's what smells. Alright, stop. I need you to break my
So
glasses.
how's it coming?
Well, you know how it is. You do a whole bunch of work, but there's nothing, absolutely nothing to show for it, and then you hook one connection up, flip a switch, and everything turns on, and it looks like you just got a whole bunch done.
So where are we at in that? Have we,
The previous part.
we don't have anything done yet.
That's right. Well, I have stuff done, but you can't actually do anything with it yet because it's not hooked up to power.
Okay.
I have two lights in. I have one in the V-berth and one in the forward head.
Okay. So when will they have light? Have power?
I don't know.
Today?
Maybe. Probably. I could probably do it today. Because my wife keeps saying she doesn't like to go to the bathroom in the dark because there's no light in the head.
In the middle of the night, it's a little
Yeah.
challenging.
Yeah. Yes, it does. So
I have a chair. This is my favorite chair.
This it. Yeah.
You like my chair?
Both of us do.
We can't hang these up without the hooks.
There's no safety pin?
No.
How many are missing safety pins?
2.
2 of them? We'll have to buy some safety pins next time we're at the store.
We're not gonna be here, so
Who's not going to be here?
when it's Christmas.
We're leaving the 23rd, so we could just do it then.
We could do it then.
And I don't get anything done around here is because I can't get past the congestion in the hallway.
Are you just saying we're in your way?
I gotta go from here to there and then back and
Mom,
What?
is the mail center gonna be open tomorrow? Cause it's
Are
Sunday.
you?
nope.
It's a room?
Mom,
No, it's not open tomorrow. What?
we had plans today.
I know, but what happened?
Is it open?
Storm.
A storm. What you looking for, Abigail?
Soda.
A soda. There's 2 right here.
Wait, we can have soda? That's games. I want soda.
So whose is this? We had neighbors bring us chocolates. They are so yummy.
It has coconut in it.
Do you like coconut? So can I have your chocolate?
Sure.
You want to split the last truffle with me? They're so yummy.
So the person that cuts it, the other person gets to pick, right? Which side they want? Is that how it
Are
works?
you gonna bite it now?
Which side do you want, huh?
So I get the rest of it?
Yum.
Well, how's it coming? There's light!
You can now relieve yourself in the light.
We should probably only use one of those, doesn't it? Come from our batteries.
Yes, it does. It's pretty dang bright.
It is really bright.
Didn't think they were going to be that bright, but
Awesome.
it's bright. But now you have light. Wow, I can't see. There's little spots in my eyes.
Are you
This is our
still
light.
shivering?
Stepping over everybody. The next big thing Dad needs to do is a table, huh?
No, the outlets in our room.
You think the lights should be next, or the outlets,
The light.
Or take.
or the table?
The light. Outlets.
Outlets. Gabriel, what? Let there be light. Whee! Look at you. You have a whole room that's lit up. Still looks like a teenage boy in here.
Smells like dinner corner.
So we're going to put one of those in the back bathroom. Is the back bathroom one installed?
No, I did 2 lights in 10 hours. 2, remember? We had this conversation earlier.
Mom.
You didn't realize it was just 2 lights.
Yes. But the advantage is there's now a terminal strip in the engine room to connect all the other lights to. And they're hooked to the breaker. So each light that gets ran, we run it to the terminal strip and hook it up and it'll work. So it should go faster now.
Awesome. So today we've gotten 2 lights installed. Woo! But it's a big deal because I don't have to use the bathroom in the dark.
All we need is a kitten now.
All we need is a kitten now.
One
I
kitten.
think the dog is starting to really take a liking to you. We're having a bit of a storm. It's supposed to get down to 50 degrees tonight.
We also had plans today.
So
You said that multiple times.
we will see you next week.